Wow, that's really cool. I agree. Running is also about meditation, especially endurance running. So let's talk about this word athlete. I have never considered myself an athlete. Okay, I've never considered myself an athletic person. Athletic, athlete. Never. But after having completed 100 miles, you guys, I will say that I'm pretty proud of myself. And I will also say that it's about mental endurance, mental strength. So here are some difficult sounds. First with the TH, athlete, athletic, mental strength. So